That is Sandy. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove a background from your logo or any image that you want. Because the other day I taught you guys how to create your own logo on Canva. And here again on Canva, I'm going to show you how to turn your image from JPG to PNG version. That way when you transfer it to any merchandise, it'll come out looking very decent. So this was a logo that we created. So the next thing we're going to do is come over here and download the image. Okay, we don't have the option for transparent background because we haven't bought the paid version yet. Now that we have it downloaded, you're going to come onto this website, and the website is called Remove BG. So if you go on Google and you type in Remove BG, it'll bring you here. So what it does, it removes background images. It removes like the background from any image that you want. So what you do is come here, press Upload Image, Healing Rain, and that's what it's going to look like. So remember before, this is what our logo looked like with all this black. But now that we've removed it, it looks like this. And once you download it, if you were to transfer this image onto anything, let's try it here now. Let's come home, and let's say we're making a flyer. Alright, so templates. Let's say we're making a flyer. As a matter of fact, let's type book. A book cover. Beautiful. So for example, let's choose this book, Thread. Let's customize the template. So the only customization we're going to be doing is putting on our logo on this. So now that we're on this page, we're going to come and press Uploads. Once you click Uploads, you're going to hit Upload File. We click our file. See that? So now our logo has been uploaded. We simply click it and it automatically comes on to our book. So let's say like this is the book that we want to sell. We put our logo right on the top, right there. Okay, let's try to make it look excuse me. So there you go. So you can transfer many your logo onto any cover that you want, any flyer you want. So if you're having a community event and you want your logo to be on there, now you know exactly how to do it. If you want a tutorial on how to make flyers, I can help you out with that as well. But I really do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Share. And leave a comment down below. Thank you. As always, I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more. And until next time, you have an Araba day. Bye.